Many people feel that if we get high click-through rate in the beginning, then the video is going to perform really well. If we get low click-through rate, then the video is not going to perform well. Is this understanding right? No, it's not. Let me explain the complete details so that you get more clarity. Welcome to Sriram Benur channel. Let's get started. Now first, let's understand what is click-through rate and how exactly it is going to be calculated. Now to give an example, say for example if I search as foam cutter, okay? Now once audience make a search for this particular keyword, there are going to be a lot of videos that are going to be shown, including videos from your channel for that particular topic, right? Now in the same way you could see this is a video from my channel. Now how is CTR calculated? Now CTR is calculated by how many times people have clicked for every 100 times your video was shown. Now say for example this video was shown 100 times when somebody searched for this particular topic. Now audience have all the rights to click on any of the video. Either they could click on this or click on this or click on this, or they could click on my video, correct? So YouTube is going to check out of 100 times how many times people did click on this. Did they click 10 times? Then the CTR is going to be 10. Did they click 5 times out of 100 times? Then the CTR is going to be 5. Okay. Now here comes the important thing. In the beginning, CTR is dependent on 3 most important factors. One is the thumbnail that you have created. Second is the video title. Third and the most important is your audience interest. Now why am I actually saying as audience interest? So here is something. Now say for example you are a person who is creating videos on photography using DSLR. Okay, so you're actually teaching them the techniques on how to take the best photograph using DSLR. Now one fine day you see that okay, your DSLR is not working right, and you see that okay, it gives a message as card not found. Now this is the error that most of the DSLR users might face once in a while. So you thought that let me create a video on this so that it is also going to help others to fix the issue if they are facing it. So you created a video on how to fix the issue with the DSLR when it says card not found. Understand here. When you create this video and upload on YouTube in your channel, you're not going to get high CTR in the beginning. Why? Because all your audience are going to look for videos on photography tips and tricks, not on troubleshooting it. But does that mean that if the CTR is not great in the beginning, the video is not going to perform? No, it's not like that. Now let me share one example from my YouTube channel. So usually in my channel, Sriram Benur channel, I create videos on educating on YouTube. Now there was a time where I was facing issue with my webcam, so I created this video after fixing the issue after doing a lot of trial and errors, right? So can't find your camera completely fixed. So this video has got over 9.9 lakh views now, and every hour this is getting good number of views. This has helped you get around 2000 plus subscribers. But was it like this when I uploaded? Let's see that. Now if I go to the reach section, you could see that okay, this video has got around 1 crore plus impressions. The click-through rate is 5.5%, but still it has been doing good. These are the views. Now if I just go through click-through rate, you could see that in the beginning the click-through rate was as low as 1.8%. That means my subscribers, when they saw this particular video, they were not interested in this and they did not watch this video. Why? Because it is not aligned with the topic what I was creating. Correct? So but over a period of time it started gaining momentum. You could see that okay, it went up to 12, 13, 18% as click-through rate, right? 12%, 19% click-through rate as well. Now it is constant at around 5.5% to 6%. So this is how it could be, right? If your audience or if your subscribers do not like the video topic in the beginning, you might have a low CTR, okay? But the video may have a great potential to get views in the longer run as well. Now, why did this video started getting views? The reason is from suggested videos and YouTube search. Now, because many were not able to fix the issue, they were always looking for this particular video so that they can fix that, correct? So that's how this video started getting around 36% of the views from YouTube search. Now say for example, they searched the video and they landed on some other video on the similar topic, but they were not able to fix that issue. In that case, YouTube suggested my video, correct? So that's where 40% of the traffic is coming from the suggested video. Because these two are really high, that's the reason why this video is performing really well. Just because if we are having a good click-through rate, it does not mean that okay, the video is going to perform well. What also matters is the audience retention. Now you could see on this particular video, the average percentage viewed is 44%. That means YouTube knows that people are actually connected around this video for a longer time. Now 44% is really good. And you see, so this is the gray one, what you're seeing. This is for the normal other videos, the kind of engagement that it is getting. Now this line is what you see, the audience retention for this particular video. Because the audience retention was also high and click-through rate was also decent, that's one of the reasons why this video started getting massive number of views, and it is still getting views as well, correct? So I believe this gives you a clear idea on what is CTR, how is CTR determined, and how does a video get great views as well. So if you see that okay, in the beginning your video has a very low CTR, don't go ahead and delete that video or unlist it. You never know, it might take the momentum at a later point in time, because the people land on this video basically using search, because this is a challenge what they are facing and they are going to search for that particular topic. So you might get massive views from the search whatever they are doing on YouTube. Okay, so that's how exactly it works. Thanks for watching. I believe this video was informative. If you want to learn how to grow your channel in the right way, then just click on this info link and watch the complete series of videos which is going to help you to grow your channel. And if you have any question that is related to YouTube, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe, hit that bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any informative videos from this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, take good care.